Meaning of easy-peasy.
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 Easy-peasy. Easy-peasy is a slang term used to describe something that is very easy or effortless to accomplish. It's a casual and playful way of expressing that a task requires little effort or presents no challenge at all. The phrase likely originated in British English and has since spread to other English-speaking countries. The use of peasy is thought to have been added for rhyme or emphasis, as the word itself has no meaning. Overall, easy-peasy is a fun and light-hearted way to describe a simple task or situation.